Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on MOVA E20. Do Not Disturb mode will, first of all, not resume in certain hours. So when your battery goes down, your robot goes back to its docking station. And if a certain hour hits, for example 10 p.m, then the robot will not resume after that. And to enable it, go to three dots, then device settings, and find Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can enable it, set the starting time and ending time, and this will also disable the diode on the robot so it's not blinking at night. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.